Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected spiritual and visionary leader, noble son and successor of Dada Huzur, Haji Pir Sayyid Ahmad Munir Babu, Qadri Fatmi Frillahi Ta'ala, along with Sadat Ikram, Ulma Ikram, and all the Safir Hazrat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
My name is Said Muhammad Noorani. I thank Allah for giving me this chance. I want to talk about Fateh Muhammadi Educational Welfare Charitable Trust. This trust is founded by Dada Huzur and his companion for the betterment of society. The president of the trust is Said Ahmad Munir Babu. Under his leadership, many initiatives are being carried out. Some important work: Vasant Mukti, Samadhan, Swadeshi Abhiyan, Nekka Mission. The
Subhanallah.
trust manages SMGK Educational Complex where children learn from K to 12 grade in both English medium and Gujarati medium. Science, Commerce, Arts, ITI College and new computer center. In the future we want to make big SMGK university. In the future we want to make big SMGK university. This will be the true tribute to our Dada Huzur. May Allah bless us all. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Rasulullah. Ya Ali, Ya Ali, Ya Ali.